Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Paba Codes. In this video, we are going to integrate a simple calendar booking on your website. You know, as developers, we like to complicate things and spend more time coding, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate a calendar booking to a website easily without making too much effort and without taking too much time. In my opinion, when we have easy methods, we should do them without wasting our time. This is a good method for integrating calendars for websites such as portfolio websites, consultation websites, websites for busy professionals, websites like that. So let's get into it. So I am assuming that you have already set up the project and I am only going to show you how to integrate the calendar to your website. To give you heads up, in this project I am going to use Next.js and Tailwind CSS if there's any styling. Okay, so my project is already set up. You can see that I am using Next.js and Tailwind CSS for styling. And the first thing we are going to do is go to Zcal. Also remember that you can do Calendly as well. I like using Zcal. So go to Zcal and sign up for an account if you don't have any. I'm going with my account so that I don't have to sign up again. First of all, you need to create a consultation. Then what you can do is, as you say, click the three dots and choose embed. That is where you can get the code to embed the calendar to your website. So after that, you can either choose iframe or just JavaScript code. I will show you both. So here's how you put JavaScript code. And then let's see how to do iframe. All you have to do is copy paste the code and embed it in your website's source code where you want it. So when it comes to iframe in Tailwind CSS or in Next.js, I'm using class name, so I'm going to change all the codes into class name and Tailwind styling. Voila, that's it. Your calendar is ready and all you have to do is now deploy it and use it as a normal calendar booking. It will redirect to Zcal at some point, but still this is already good enough for a small scale website. Let's add a little heading just for fun, and that's it. That's all you need. Also comment what kind of methods that you use to integrate calendar bookings on your website, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.